Hello everyone, I'm Tyrese from Pure Cars, and today I'm going to be your guide whilst we explore the Maserati GranTurismo Sport and find out really what makes this car so special and stand out from the crowd. Right, let's talk about the performance. This Maserati GranTurismo Sport is a beautiful car and has a beautiful engine, so I'm going to speak about that. This engine is a 4.7 litre petrol engine. It packs 460 brake horsepower, which means it pushes the car from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. And if you want to hit its top speed, well, expect to go to at least 185 miles per hour. Let's talk about the elements of driver convenience with the Maserati GranTurismo Sport. So you've got your more staple features such as your Bluetooth connectivity, your aux connectivity. You've also got cruise control. And you've also, which I guess isn't a staple thing, maybe in a Maserati it is, but you've got your Maserati clock as well, which I think just brings the whole car, especially the dashboard anyway, together in the centre. The thing I like about this driving modes, I think you've got paddle mode. Now a lot of cars have paddle shifters, but you've also got a lot of them are ESP connected to the steering wheel, so when you're turning and you need to change gear, it makes things quite tricky sometimes. Sometimes you might downshift instead of upshifting. But with this, it's mounted to the steering wheel column, so they're always in the same place, so you never get confused. One thing I like about this car is the sound system. It has a premium sound system, has a Bose surround sound system, which is absolutely amazing. You can really hear the difference. You've also got front and rear parking sensors in this car, which when trying to park it really does make a difference and helps out quite a lot. Right, we've had a look at the performance and the interior features. Let's have a look at the exterior now and some of the features that we can find there on this Maserati GranTurismo Sport. First things first, let's talk about the headlights. These headlights have got quite a lot of, not spec, but they're quite good, let's just say. They're adaptive headlights, they're automatic, they're bi-xenon, yeah, and they've also got headlight washers with them as well. One thing I really like about this Maserati GranTurismo Sport is the grille. Look at it, it's a really nice black Maserati grille. Not only that as well, you can see your front parking sensors there as well. You've got your badge, it's just really sporty, really beautiful. It's also got a front splitter as well. On the Maserati GranTurismo Sport, you've also got these side vents here, which I think look really nice. They've got this little chrome detailing around it. It's really sporty. They're on both sides, of course. It'd be a bit weird if they were just on one side. But yeah, I think they look really nice and really go well with the car. Are these Maserati 20-inch sports alloys? Yes, they are. Are they something to shout about? Yes, they are. These things are beautiful. They go really well with the car. They've got this kind of grey, matte grey colour to them. You've got the brake caliper there with the Maserati logo on it. It goes really well with the car. A nice sporty touch by Maserati. At the rear now of the Maserati GranTurismo Sport, we've got, of course, the Maserati logo. You've got your chrome detailing. You've also got a boot lip spoiler as well, which adds, of course, to that bit of performance and that sporty look overall. You've also got these twin exhausts here, which sound amazing. Do you know what? I'm going to play now for you just what these twin exhausts sound like. Make sure you got your sound on for this. I hope I've been able to convey just how special this car truly is. From its Coltrana leather upholstery to its Bose surround sound system to its 185 miles per hour top speed. There's something in this car for everyone, and I hope there's something in this car for you. If you're interested in this Maserati GranTurismo Sport, all you need to do is head over to www.purecars.co.uk, or you can visit our local Wakefield City Centre showroom, which is brand new. We've got plenty of cars there, including this one right here. Finance is available on it. You can either do PCP, hire purchase, or you can buy it outright. All of those options are available at purecars.co.uk. Thanks for watching.